The knockdown pocket door frame kit from Quanex makes a quick and easy pocket door installation in any commercial or residential space. Engineered for strength and versatility, it can be installed over wood or concrete floors in as little as 12 minutes. Smaller than our pre-assembled pocket door frame offering, the KD Pocket Door Frame Kit is also easier to ship and transport to job sites. The compact design of the KD Frame Kit means reduced overhead, less on-site inventory, and requires less overall storage space than pre-assembled frames. Quanex offers multiple KD Pocket Door Frame Kits for a variety of door sizes and wall thicknesses to maximize efficiency and your bottom line. Make the switch today. Learn more at Quanex.com.